Here's a function, and what you want to learn about is when is a function increasing, decreasing, and then we're going to talk about the concave up, concave down. So, what do you think? What does it mean when a function is increasing? Going up. So when I go from the left to the right, it should be increasing or decreasing. So as I go from negative infinity up to whatever this number is, probably, I don't know, they're negative, what is it, negative 3.1-ish.
Oh, no,
right?
Okay, I gotcha. That's not.
So that's about what? That's about negative 3.1-ish. All right, so it's increasing. Don't you love my handwriting?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Negative infinity to negative 3.1. And what we're going to say is, see right here at negative 3.1, it's no longer increasing or decreasing. It's stopped for a minute. Okay? And if it, no, I won't say that. See here, actually I will say this. See here the slope is positive, right? And over here the slope is negative. It's going, remember if you do that instantaneous, I'm sorry, you didn't do that. Average slope, average rate of change. If we did the average rate of change here, we'd come up with a positive number, wouldn't we? And we did the average rate of change over here, it would be a negative number. Right here, that slope is 0. So it's kind of that. It's increasing, increasing, increasing. Here, let's go with blue. Increasing, 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 increasing. Momentarily stopped. Then it decreases, 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 to whatever that is. And then it goes back to, whoops, then it goes back to increasing, increasing, increasing. All right? See how that works?
Coloring, don't you?
I do like coloring. So, and I don't know, what do you think? What do you think that number is? Negative 0.25 right here, at x value? I mean, there's ways to find it, and we aren't going to worry about that yet. Okay, so it's increasing from negative 2.5 to infinity, open on both, and from negative infinity to negative 3.1. So we'd do this, like if we were in my open math, you'd have to do a u in between those, right?
So what's the distance between those?
It's kind of like the distance, kind of like the x. It's where what x values is this increasing? What x values is it decreasing? Right.
Okay.
So what did I say? Negative 0.25 to infinity. Can I squeeze that in?
Yeah.
It's not much of an infinity symbol. Okay, so that's increasing. And then what's cool, once you decide this, to get the decrease, you just use, hey, it ends there, and it ends there. So negative 3.1, whoops. To, what, negative 2.25? Easy, easy, nothing new and earth-shattering there, huh? Okay. Go.
Decreases from like negative 3.4.
Is that where it stops? Or can we assume that,
infinity.
yeah, so from negative infinity,
Why is that
to
negative infinity to,
so like
2.5.
remember, not going with a y, we're going with the x's.
Yeah, to like negative 1 point.
Negative
Oh, sorry.
1.5 is a nice number.
Sure.
And,
Then it increases
so we do or, okay, with new increase.
to the negative 1.5 to 1.9.
Do you agree with that,
I mean,
there, young lady?
It looks like it's on the 2 sum, but it looks
What goes to where do I start?
So, where did it stop
Oh, this-
increasing? Where did it stop increasing?
1.9.
At 1.9?
And it goes down infinity.
Yeah, so you
Oh,
could
okay.
do that. 1.9 to infinity.
Got it.
This is the increasing. So are we good with that part?
yes.
Yeah.
I was just told I'm wrong with this increasing, decreasing. This is decreasing.
Left side is increasing.
And this is, that was increasing.
That was increasing.
Yeah. You were right.
We'll undo it if it'll let me. No.
That's fine. We know what it is. 1.9.
So increase. 1.9 to decrease.
Inc. Monsters Incorporated. Oh God, we went to go see that movie like 5 days after I got home from having.
All right, so now we got to look at a table, and we got to decide, is it increasing or decreasing? That's the part's easy. Then the part is it concave up or concave down?
Oh.
Oh, concave
Okay,
down is
that's
like,
the hard part.
is like that, right? When it goes
So
like that.
look at this one. Is that increasing? X is going up. What's happening to Y?
It's going up.
Y is going up also.
Yes.
So this is an increasing function. But now here's the tricky part. What's the average rate of change between 1 and 2?
The square. The number before it is.
No, the
square.
average rate of change. I'm going to do f of b minus f of a. I want you to think, that's how I'm going to have you think about it, since that's consistent with what we've been doing. So 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 1, because 2 minus 1 is 2. What's the change between 4 and 8? I mean, between 2 and 3? 4. What's the change with there? 8. So it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, isn't it?
Squaring itself.
Yeah, well, yeah, something going on. We don't really care so much about what the pattern is. We just want to find out, is it increasing? So if I get this graph, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going from, I'm going to fake the graph. That's what it looks like between those two. That's what it looks like between those two. That's what it looks like between those two. Now, how do you know if it's concave up or concave down? Do you guys remember?
Is it concave? Down.
Yeah, up is a
Up
happy
is a
face.
Yeah. Oh.
Sad
Sad
is a down face.
Concave. So
Okay.
concave.
So that's,
So that's up, down. So that's concave up graph.
Yep.
Okay?
Gotcha.
And you see how the change increased, gotten steeper and steeper and steeper? And it was increasing and going up. Look at this one now. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decreasing. And now what's happening to the change?
Concave down.
So it's decreasing, so that's a change of 20. Then it's a
10,
change of
10.
only 10. Then it's a change of 5.
And 3.
And then 3. So think about happy face or smiley face.
That's actually a
You
happy
mean that's
face.
actually
That's a happy face or half a happy face. So this is decreasing, but it's concave up. Okay, what do we got left? 3 minutes?
Yeah.
How about this one?
It's decreasing.
Decreasing. It's changing by
10.
10, then by 20. So this is decreasing, but what's happening to that slopes?
It's going down.
So is that concave up or concave down?
Going down.
Concave down. Okay, you got the idea?
Bueno.
Okay. Maybe we'll do some more in class tomorrow. What about these graphs, guys? We haven't done that. We haven't talked about the
Wait,
graphs.
do you still want us to do this part for homework? Finish
Mm,
stuff for homework
yeah.
Or do you want us to work on 1.3?
Work on my open math online.
instead?
Okay? Yeah.
Alright.
Work on that. That'll be enough. We'll do some more and fill it in. And then tomorrow we'll do the next little bit. Okay?